Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video we're going to solve an interesting problem. We have one equation with two unknowns, x and y. In this video we're going to find all integers x and y who satisfying this equation. X minus y all squared plus 2 times y squared equals 27. There are different possibilities for this equation. But in the first step, we need to find out what are the properties of these two numbers. As you know, x minus y squared and 2y squared always are non-negative numbers. Notice that if 2y squared equals to 0, so there is no solution as x is an integer. Also, if x minus y all squared equals to 0, so there is no solution as y is an integer. Also, as you know, 27 is a odd number and 2y squared is a even number, so x minus y squared should be a odd number, because the sum of odd and even numbers equals odd number. X minus y all squared is an odd number, so x minus y is an odd number. Now we can guess answers. One of the possibilities answers are 9 and 18. X minus y all squared is 9 and 2y squared is 18. From this equation, we can write y squared equals 9, and by square rooting from both sides, we're going to get y equals plus minus 3. Also, by squaring root from this equation, we get x minus y equals plus minus 3. As you can see, 9 is an odd number and 18 is even number. Maybe you say 21 and 6 are answers. So we can write x minus y all squared equals 27 and 2y squared equals 6. From this equation, we can write y squared equals 3 and y equals plus minus square root of 3. And from this equation, we can write x minus y equals plus minus 20 square root of 21. But y isn't equal to integer number, and we are going to find integers x and y. So 21 and 6 is not aren't our answer. One of the another possibilities is 25 and 2. X minus y squared is 25 and 25 is odd, and 2y squared equals 2. So we are going to get x minus y equals plus minus 5 and y equals plus minus 1. So we're going to get from these two system of equation, so we are going to get these two equations. These equations is going to be four system of equations. X minus y equals 3 and y equals 3, x minus y equals 3 and y minus 3 equals minus 3, x minus y equals minus 3 and y equals 3, x minus y equals minus 3 and y equals minus 3. Solving this system of equation is easy, and by replace x by in the first system of equation we can replace y by 3, so x equals 6. 6 and 3 is one of our answers. You can solve these three system of equation easily, and we are going to have 4 answers from this system. This system of equation get us 4 system of equation, and we're going to get 4 pairs of numbers. xy equals 6 and 1, and minus 4 and 1, minus 6 and minus 1, and 4 and minus 1. Finally, we can say this equation has 8 answers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like.